Want to stop paying hidden bank fees every month? What if I told you it takes zero coding, zero upfront cost, and just minutes a week to fight back? Walk with me today. I'm covering a free AI loophole that banks hate. Most creators miss this tactic because no one talks about it on YouTube yet. Plus, I'll cover 2 additional AI tools that will scan your bank statements, expose sneaky charges, and automate refunds. Sound impossible? Wait for it. The first tool is Mint AI. Your silent watchdog. It auto-categorizes all your expenses, instantly flags bogus fees, and sends real-time alerts so you never miss a sneaky charge. Imagine never missing a sneaky overdraft or service fee again, all without lifting a finger. While Mint AI protects your wallet 24/7. Let's break down how it works. Mint connects to your bank securely and learns your spending patterns. It spots abnormal charges and doubles back on mistakes that banks hope you'll ignore. Sounds like magic? Well, it isn't. The second AI tool is PDF AI. Instead of scrolling through complex bank PDFs yourself, this AI instantly scans statements and highlights suspicious fees. Upload your statement, and PDF AI extracts fee data, finds hidden patterns, and even drafts refund requests auto-magically. No jargon, no hassle, zero coding. Your bank statement just turned into a high-tech detective report. This tool saves hours and uncovers fees even Mint might miss. Efficiency meets power. The last tool is Hiatus AI. The subscription sniper, it tracks every recurring payment, spots hidden charges you forgot, and cancels unwanted expenses in one tap. With Hiatus managing subscriptions, your payments stay razor sharp. Disregard manual checking. This AI does it all, shielding your bank balance like a pro. Setup is plug and play, an absolute blast for anyone without tech skills. If you combine PDF AIs, deep scanning, Mint's fee alerts, and Hiatus subscription cancellation, you've got a no-code fortress guarding your finances. Each of these tools is free or low cost, battle-tested for 2025, and battle-ready to outsmart banks that want to keep you in the dark. Plus, you control how much automation you want, full hands-off or manual. Your call. Zero tech knowledge is required. This triad of AI tools turns you from a passive banking victim into an active financial warrior, saving hundreds or thousands annually. Remember, banks won't advertise these loopholes. This video is your wake-up call. Claim your financial sovereignty now. Links to each tool are in the description. Just copy, sign up, and run the setup in under 10 minutes. Now, imagine your next bank statement automatically audited. No more surprise fees. Only smart savings and automated refunds. This is your financial frontline for 2025. Free AI tools streamlining your wallet defense. No coding, no risk, full control. Does this sound valuable? If so, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this life-changing info with more people like yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can consistently get new AI hacks that save money and time. Don't just watch. Use tomorrow's AI tools and be the first in your circle to shield against fees the banks want to keep hidden. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.